Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. My goal is to be debt free by August, which I am so close to. If you're new here, I'm so excited to have you here. I do have few new subscribers. Welcome, so excited for you to be here. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. Also click on that bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. Today is Mini Monday, you guys. With Mini Monday, we are playing with $20. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I'm excited for Mini Mondays. All of my Mini Mondays are super far away to be done, but I've always said this, small amounts do add up, so don't give up, guys. Do not give up. We got this, trust me. I totally understand sometimes we don't have that much money, and it's okay. You gotta work with what you got, girl. Don't give up. All right, so yeah, let's see how today goes. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, I hope everyone gets a little bit of love. That's my goal, but sometimes y'all know that doesn't happen, and it's funny sometimes. All right, so Mini Mondays are basically smaller challenge compared to anything else. Of course, here and there we'll have bigger challenges, like right now this one right here. Taylor, a little bit of all, she gifted me this, so I decided to use it for a Mini Monday. So this is more of a bigger challenge because the highest number here, it's a 9. It's a number 9. All right, same with this one. I got gifted this one from Saving with Grace. It's for Christmas, and this one, the highest number, I think it was a 12. So yeah, it's a very high number, but since they were gifted, this one was an order freebie, so you know, why not? All right, so this is how it's gonna go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, let me get those like this. I don't want it to look crooked, so we can take the cute little thumbnail picture. Okay, y'all ready? All right, here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheese. All right, guys, here we go. Wish us luck. Number 2. Number 1. Number 5. Number 1. Number 1. Number 5. Number 3. Number 5. Number 2. Come on now, we needed 3. There you go. Number 3. We needed 6. Number 3. Number 3. Number 5. Number 1. Number 5. Okay. Number 1. I think we completed 1 now. Number 2. Come on, 6. 5. And last dollar goes to, hold on, number 4. All right, well, apparently Christmas didn't want to get any money today, so it is what it is. Bye-bye, Christmas. Not today, maybe next time. Maybe Wednesday. All right, this one right here, it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $7, and we did get some left over, you guys. All right, so let's count now. We need a 9. 9 is the highest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9. And we have a leftover of $4 because we're going to do from biggest to smallest. So 9 is the biggest. So hey, there you go. We got a 9. Yay, our first one complete on here on this challenge. Not sure how much I will save on this one, but it's exciting. It is so cute. So let's put this bad boy up. Awesome. Not bad, not bad. Okay, so this is from Taylor. A little of it all. I will have everyone linked in the description box so y'all can check out their channel. So there's that one. All right, this one right here, the little lucky charm, it needs $3 each lucky charm, and I had $2 from last time because we weren't able to complete it. And this time we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we got 3 and 3. So we have $6. So yay, we can do 2 little Lucky Charms. All right, awesome. All right. So that's good. Don't know how much I will save. Have not added up, but I'm sure it's going to be a good amount. Okay, so there's that. Oh my gosh, can't believe it. Ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. She love me, I think she want me. This one got $1, and it didn't have anything left over, but we're not going to be able to do anything with this one because each little letter is $2 each little letter. So maybe Wednesday it gets a little bit of love. Okay, there's that. Next, this one here is for $5 each little circle, and we got $3 today, and we have some leftover from the other day for $2. So that means that we can circle one. Yay, that's $5 right there, you guys. So we can do one circle. Okay, yes, that's good. All right, almost there. We're almost there. All right, there we go. We need 4 more circles to be done with that, and this is going towards my debt, I think. Yeah, I didn't write on it, but I'm sure I'd be going towards my debt. All right, so there's that. And last but not least, this one right here. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. $5. So let's count and see. All right, so this one is 3, 4, and 5. Oh my gosh, I hope Wednesday I can complete it. I need $2, and this is going towards my debt. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you guys, that's amazing. That is amazing. All right, there you have it. There you have it. This is Mini Monday. That wasn't bad. Okay, not bad, you guys. That was good. We're making progress. All right, thank you so much for watching, you guys. That was amazing. I'll be back again tomorrow for Cash Stuffing Tuesday. So I hope to see you guys back again on Tuesday. Thank you so much for the love and support. You guys are amazing. You know your time is precious, and thank you for letting your time be spent with me. And yeah, thank you so much. I see you back again tomorrow for Cash Stuffing Tuesday. Have a beautiful Monday, guys. Bye. Y'all take care.